Avantik, we take pride in offering the highest quality rebuilt equipment on the market. Our equipment is backed with a full 1-year warranty and priced to fit within your reduced capital budget.
Avantik offers many types of rebuilt equipment, including microtomes, stainers, tissue processors, cover slippers, cryostats, embedding centers, and printers.
Our extensive rebuilding process is performed at our state-of-the-art facility by thoroughly trained and certified technicians. Original equipment manufacturer specifications are utilized throughout the rebuild process. Each unit is subject to a rigorous quality assurance inspection prior to shipping. With the investment of this equipment, it's what's inside that is key for long-term dependability and efficiency for your lab. Our number one priority is to exceed your expectations and to be your trusted partner.
To learn more about our rebuilt equipment, call us today or visit us online at avantik-us.com.